We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the White House. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test.
At 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, our world is coming to an end. By the red giant sun killing all life forms on Earth and devouring plants. There's nothing we can do. To stop this alert, gather all of your family members and siblings or relatives to make you feel comfortable. This is a national alert. The red giant sun will devour Earth after 7 billion years. There's nothing we can do. To stop this. Stay safe, everyone. God bless all of you.
Goodbye.